guys, welcome to KX Sophia. I'm Sophia and today we're going to be doing a DIY lip gloss. Today we're going to be using aloe vera gel and Vaseline and coconut oil. This video has been highly suggested and requested, so here it is. Okay, so first off, you're going to get a glass container. So we are going to be microwaving the Vaseline. You don't want to melt your container if it's plastic. About this much, and I'm going to go microwave it. And I will be back. Okay, so I am back. This is what I have. It is super liquidy, and that is what you want. So for this, I literally just took another glass bowl that's bigger than your bowl, and then I put water inside. I use like hot water from the faucet because it's not gonna go inside, so you can use whatever water you want. And then I put that, and then I put that inside like this. And then I microwaved it for about 2 minutes, and then I mixed it, and then it did another 30 seconds, and then it should dissolve. Like, you should mix it like intervals so that it would like dissolve easier. Okay, so now you're gonna add in your aloe vera gel. I didn't have the white one on hand, but I got this from Target, and they do have this in white too. So if you don't want like a greenish like pigment on your lip gloss, then you could add this, the white one. You can add the white one. So I'm just gonna go in like, not a lot. Just do like one like squeeze for like 3 or 4 seconds. You should be able to tell how the consistency is. And then you just mix it. Just mix it. This is what it's looking like. It's turning green. It's turning into like a lemon color. It looks kind of like lemon juice, kind of. It should thicken up because the aloe vera gel is like thick. So yeah, so this is what it's looking like. It's kind of like a paste, kind of like in the second video of how to make lip gloss, so the one on how to make it with Vaseline. Okay, so now I'm going to add in a little bit of oil. In the other video that we made with Vaseline, sorry, blinking out, I added way too much oil. So people have been commenting and like saying that they've been having problems with the oil rising up. So I'm gonna add about, let's see, that much. Yeah. Smell it. It smells kind of like aloe vera and Vaseline. Oh, so you can also add some flavoring if you want. I didn't mention this in the beginning of the video because not a lot of people are able to buy this, but I'm going to add in the lemon flavor. Okay, so this is the lemon oil. So I'm just gonna do about like 2 drops maybe, because there is not a lot in this, well, this formula, but you can always double up the formulas. 1, 2. Drop down. Okay, so also in our previous video that's what's on my iPhone, I did mention that we were going to be doing a giveaway once we reach 1,000 subscribers, so be sure to share with your friends and subscribe. This smells so good. It's like, it's so relaxing. Like, it smells really nice. So just scrape it. It is becoming a little bit thicker, as you can tell, because Vaseline, it is like, you know, dull and not clear, but if it goes on your lips, it will be clear, so don't worry. So I'm going to add a little bit more aloe vera because it is a little bit thicker than how I want it to be, but you can always check on your skin. So like, for example, you just take a piece. I know this is not like sanitary, I'm not wearing any gloves or anything, but this is just a DIY at home. I am not selling this, so it's not a problem. So you can just place it on your hands, massage it in, see if you like the consistency. If you don't like it, and if you don't like the way it feels, you can always add more aloe vera. The cooling sensation is from the aloe vera. Just keep mixing. It is turning a little bit more green just because of the aloe vera. I didn't have any on hand, like I said before, of the white ones. And then now I'm just gonna add a little bit of more on my skin, see if I like it. Massage it in. I like it. I like the feeling. It is shiny if you want to see it. I don't know if you can really tell, but it looks shiny. My hand is not actually shiny like this. Look, my hand is not really shiny down there, but it is more like bright and shiny on top. So yeah, oh my god, my face looks so bright. Okay, so once this is done, you see that it's really, really thick. So all you're gonna need to do is, I have a little cup with water inside. I boiled this in the microwave for like 2 minutes. So you don't want to microwave this by itself because it's going to separate the aloe vera from the Vaseline, and that's not going to look good. So now I'm just, as you can see, I'm mixing it in here. Slowly put the thing in. It is in the bowl now. It should be hot, so don't carry it, but just mix it in here until it becomes a little bit more like translucent, and then you're good. Don't let it sit in there for too long because it will like clump up, and you don't want that. So just swirl it in here. So just mix it until it's at your desired consistency. Okay, so once you're done mixing it should be like a little bit liquidy with the water boiler thing, with whatever, I don't know. So your consistency should kind of be like drippy, but not kind of be like bleh, but like, yeah. So then now I'm going to get my container, which is this. Okay, so don't come at me. It is dirty. Yes, I know. I took out lip gloss from the old video that I made, and so now I ran out of tubes. So this is the last one, and this one doesn't have like a top screwer thingy on, like a cap. So I use this to like go over it to like cover it. This is my tester pretty much. And yeah, so now I'm going to try to pour it in. Try to pour it in before it hardens up, because once it hardens up, it's harder for you to pour in. So I'm gonna try to like pour it in like this. Hopefully it works like this. Oh my God. Oh, it works. Okay. This may take a while. I was gonna use a syringe, but I got lazy, so yeah. This is gonna get a little bit messy, but if you do have a syringe, it is a better idea, just so that it's like less messy and it saves more time. So like I said in the beginning, this is not for sale, so don't come at me because I don't want to hear it. Thank you very much. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up the bottle. Do you see that it is filled all the way to the top? As you can tell, there was a little bit in here and it filled all the way up, so don't like put too much and then you have extra unless you want to make more. Okay, and then close on your little top. And there you have it. Aloe vera lip gloss. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it on to show you guys. It smells so good. Oh my God. Ooh. Okay, so the cooling feeling of this like lip gloss is amazing, but make sure like to don't like lick it, because it will what's it called, be bitter. Overall, I really like how this turned out. I hope you guys try this recipe out and let me know how it goes in the comments down below. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.